If your windshield wiper blades are streaking or worn out, most people just replace the entire blade. I used to do the same thing until I learned you can often replace just the rubber insert instead. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, what to look for to make sure your wipers are compatible, and how this simple fix can save you money over time. It's one of those small car maintenance tips I really wish I had known years ago. So let's get into it. After 20 some years of driving and owning cars, I learned something today. That you can actually replace the rubber from the wiper blade. Who knew? I didn't. Did you? So to replace the rubber on the blade, it's easier if you remove the wiper blade itself. Try doing it outside, but it was just too much of a hassle. You literally just move this down like this so that it gets out of this little cap right here, and you pull it out like so. You see that? You have to kind of like work it from the bottom as well. There we go. And just literally pull the rubber out. You have to kind of like work around it. Right there. Literally, boom. I ended up finding these 5+ rubber wiper blades on Amazon. This 4-pack was only $7.49 at the time of this recording. I'll leave a link in the description so you can pick some up. And literally, it is just 28 inches of just rubber in the blade form. And all I did is I matched the old one with the new one and kind of like traced it all the way down till I got to the end right there, and just cut the end off. You can cut it with just a pair of scissors. I already did one, and I discovered that it's best to kind of cut it a little short so that you have some wiggle room. But literally you match it up and you come with your scissors and cut it. Then you take your wiper blade and see this bottom groove here? That is the one that we are going to fit in right here, like that. And literally just fish it in. Gently work it through until you get to the other end. And then you have to come back to this end and just kind of bring this back in until it goes inside this little cap, like that. Now you just go put it back in the car and you're good to go. Before you buy new windshield wipers next, check the rubber insert first. It could save you some money. If you want more simple, practical car and home tips like this, check out this video next. Thanks for watching. See you all later.